Sunday morning, we are hitting the road. We are trying to beat the heat. We're going to the coast for a photo shoot, and we gotta get back here. So, unfortunately, that means probably riding right through the heat. But let's see how this goes. At least we'll be cool on the coast. What do you think about that, Terry?
I'm hot already.
Are you ready to burn up today?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. So what are we shooting here today?
49 EL Panhead.
Beautiful bike.
Beautiful. Digger
style. And who'd you say originally built it?
Hillbilly from down in Ventura. Bill Hill was his original name.
And then now Brett Hatt has got his touch on it, kind of taking it back to more of its stock.
Yeah, what Brett did, he took it and he put all stock lines on there, rebuilt the motor, fixed up the tranny, the back brakes, the front brakes. What else he did? He did the carburetor. He pulled the carburetor out of his garage, put it together, rebuilt it. Had a couple minor issues, but not too bad. The heads were done by Hannon. And Brett basically put it all together. So,
and it looks awesome rolling down the road.
Beautiful bike. Beautiful bike, 49. Yeah. right, this is obviously a pretty cool knucklehead, but there's something even more special about it. What's the deal with this bike?
It's number 52, number 1052. There was 53 civilian bikes made in 1943. It's in a 43 frame with 43 sheet metal.
Wow.
44 transmission.
Okay, a lot easier.
So this is pretty much the way they rolled off the line back in the day then?
Yeah, it's had ape hangers put on it
Yeah.
and a little bit of, custom exhaust.
But from the looks of it, those ape hangers are probably not too much younger than the bike, right? But yeah, this is very cool. It sounds great too.
Yeah,
It was definitely fun riding over here behind you guys and watching you guys rolling down the road.
right on. Yeah, that was fun.
What do you got? You got a question?
Yeah, I like to know the name of the bike. So tell
Oh,
me.
this is Jezebel.
And
She's Tinkerbell's older sister.
I love that.
Wow, what a great day that was, riding into Point Arena with a couple guys, one on a Panhead and the other one on a Knucklehead. It was just a spectacular day to ride out here near the coast.
Did you feel like you went back in time?
Yeah, it was seriously a blast from the past. So we had a really good time with Dave and Brett, and we hope you guys enjoy these old bikes too.
Yeah, leave us a message if you like the content.
And come back real soon, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see y'all soon.